Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? This is Karthik Bhuvan. I'm a leadership coach and author. How are you? Have you ever wondered the kind of thoughts that you are having in your mind? How much of it is yours and how much is it conditioned? The ambitions that you have in your life, how much do you feel is inspired by your ability to do, and how much do you think is conditioned by others, and you're simply doing to just prove to somebody else, and you're not doing it for having a rich experience of life? How many of you want to become doctors because you are going to experience and you really love becoming doctors? And how many are becoming doctors because the society is going to value and respect you? How many of you are becoming architectural engineers because you want to create a beautiful building, a beautiful design which you thoroughly enjoy seeing it in this planet? And how many of you are just because somebody will respect you and you will make a little bucks? How many of you thoroughly enjoy acting, and how many are becoming actors just for money? This is something very, very serious which every individual must seriously introspect. Because when you lose the serious introspection, a conscious serious introspection, a conscious intelligent introspection, you lose your ability to feel great within yourself. And when you lose your ability to feel great within yourself, you deny yourself the possibility of experiencing incredible levels of joy every moment of your life. And then your life will simply be a rat race. You'll only be experiencing stress, anxiety, worry, and this is exactly what's happening to a majority of the population. You look, including marriages, how many people are marrying because now you want to share this love with one woman or one man, and you want to extend that beautiful joy and produce another life in the planet. And you have thought about what are the changes that are going to come. You thought about it in an intelligent way, and you want to nurture another life in the planet. You're not bringing another life in the planet because they're going to take care of you. You're not bringing another life in the planet because they are going to be like your old age insurance where they're going to take care of you. You are simply bringing another life into the planet because you enjoy and you feel the joy of nurturing life. You feel you can completely sacrifice your entire life for that life, where you're becoming totally dedicated, absolutely involved. I've never ever found one single person in the entire planet who can dedicate their entire life for their children. And therefore, this is an accidental population, I feel. People are reproducing irresponsibly. And with irresponsible reproduction, what we are going to cause is irresponsible attitudes. And if you see anybody whose attitudes you see on the road, you will only find it very, very irresponsible. The way they act, the way they think, the way they talk, the way they feel, absolutely irresponsible. Because if you're responsible, you would act very consciously. Your talk will be such that before you talk, you will think. Like before I talk to somebody, I think, what is it that I like to convey? And how am I feeling as I'm communicating with this person? How is the other person making me feel good or bad? What is the experience the other person is giving me? Without this level of conscious thinking, people are approaching conversations, people are approaching relationships, people are approaching every aspect of their life, and it is going to lead to ridiculous situations. As the name of these ridiculous situations that you can call as conflicts. Conflicts emerge from ridiculous situations. I would say it emerges from unconscious thinking. Any kind of conflict emerges from unconscious thinking. If a person has a conscious ability to think well, he will naturally yield a conversation which is going to lead to pleasant situations. He will naturally be, or she will naturally lead to a situation which is going to bring them joy. But this is not happening. And this is where we as humanity need to focus on. I always tell to people whom I meet, especially in my workshops, the leadership community, that gift your team a fantastic experience of life, let them feel great, and then give them with wonderful skills, enable them, know what is human talent and how it can be nurtured. Without all of these things, people end up in conversations, communications, acquisitions. Some major companies, the talent acquisition managers connect with me, they talk to me, and I share with them some very, very powerful insights which they have often shared with me, that it's turned out to be very, very useful to them in their lives and also in their company's policies about acquiring and resourcing and also utilizing. Very, very useful. So make use of the opportunity every day, because you're born and you have a great opportunity to feel wonderful and to do enormously wonderful things with your life which are going to make you feel great. Don't let another day pass just like that, unconsciously. Have a wonderful time, everybody. Stay blessed. This is Karthik Bhuvanam. I will see you in another amazing expression. Good day.